Hey guys, so in today's episode, we're gonna do an unboxing for a portable microphone. This mic will be the Maono mic, which is all written over here. And this would be the PM461 series. So the box looks like this. It's actually as big as my head. Okay, so I'm actually recording one hand and I'm opening the box with another hand. So let's see what comes out. Ooh. So you have a styrofoam box. So if you were to buy it online, you know that it's relatively safe. This side of styrofoam box, you will have the wire. First thing, you will have the instructions. Next thing is the stand, followed by, I guess, the housing for the mic, and finally the mic. Right, so let's kind of pull it out, and that's how the mic looks like. Right, this is the housing, that's the stand, and that is the wire. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to try to fix it on, and I will see you guys after I've already mounted the mic on the, I guess, the housing and the stand. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to screw the stand with the housing, and the next thing is there's a screw between the housing and the mic, so you just kind of turn it around, and it will kind of look a little bit like this, right? And then finally is plugging the wire with the computer, your laptop over there. So after I've already screwed in everything, I will see you guys in a bit. So this is how it will look like. Okay, so this is test number 1. We're going to divide this test into 3. The first is we're going to compare the microphone using the internal laptop mic, right? Second test is we're going to use the integrated mic that comes with my webcam. And the third test would be using the webcam and also the microphone, right? So right now we are using the laptop microphone, and typically when I hear myself using the laptop mic, I can actually pick up the sound being a bit echoey. So this is test number 2. In terms of picture quality, I hope is a little bit better. Given that it's an external webcam and everything. Typically, some webcams actually does come with a microphone, and I realized one thing: only when I talk closer towards the microphone, it picks up the sound a little better. If not, it still has an echoey, I guess, echoey feel to it, even when using my external webcam, right? So this is test number 2 using my external webcam, and also we are just testing the volume, or we are testing the sound quality. Okay, so this is the third test where I'm using the microphone. The microphone is actually really close to my face, which is like right over here, right? And yeah, typically that's how close I'm going to talk using the microphone. I hope the pickup of the sound is a lot better, right? Now, assuming if I'm leaning back, right? Oh, just so you know, the gains are halfway, which is I guess halfway, right? So say if I'm having like a quiet thought and I'm actually leaning back from the mic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play around with the mic. I'm going to play around with the gains. This is at full, I guess, full gains. This is the midpoint. So overall, my thoughts are, if we want to level up as a content creator, we will maybe spend bit by bit improving the camera, improving the sound, so on and so forth. For the amount of money I spent and the pickup quality in terms of audio, I think is amazing, right? The benefit really outweighs the cost. So for me, it's 2 thumbs up, and yeah, I hope that you guys find this review useful. If not, yeah, I hope to see you guys very, very soon in the next upcoming episodes. With that, take care, guys.